Thokozani. Amen. Nonke. Nikhuluma nomkhulu langabi, nikhuluma nomthunzi wezwe, nikhuluma nomsunguli weFlames of Christ. Ibandla lika Moya, ibandla elelapha abantu, ibandla elifundisa abantu. Especially abantu abagulayo, abantu abahlushwa umoya. All right. I'm going to address yet another question today. Quite a few people asked me ukuthi Mkhulu, we've done cleansings, we've used muti, we've used water, we've used salts, we've used swasho, we've prayed. Nothing is happening in our lives. Why are our lives still stagnant? Yet we've done everything that they feel is everything, yet we've done everything that we're supposed to do concerning spirituality. We've done a cleansing, we've done, what else did they say they've done? They've done a lot, but nothing is happening. I got those people during divination, and I will tell you what I found out. Right. First of all, before you go to the healer, check your dreams. Your dreams are going to help you to see that you relate to that particular healer. 1. 2, check izembatho the healer. If you relate, remember, we've got people that were called for ubugedla. We've got people that were called for ubungoma. We've got people that were called for ubunyanga, ubunosi, evangelism, preaching. Again, in short, everyone is born with a gift. Everyone is born with a gift. So before you go to the healer, check if your gift relates to this particular healer. If you wanna buy in your dreams, you are dreaming of a gown, you are dreaming of water, you are dreaming of riding a bicycle, you are dreaming of usenkonzweni, you've got a gift, you are going to be healing people, you are going to uzoba umphathi webandla, you are dreaming of water, ocean. It's not Leviathan, according to that lady that I was replying in my next video. You are being shown that you've got a pure gift of divination because water is clear. That's another way of God and your guys and your ancestors are telling you that you've got a crystal clear gift. You need to stand up and ukhuphule mhlawumbe ukhuphula isithunywa, ukhuphula isidalwa lesi sikuphethe, ukhuphula isithunywa sakho, ukhuphula abaprofiti abaphila kuwe, ukhuphula abathandazi abaphila kuwe, ukhuphula whatever ephila kuwe. You cannot go and do cleansing just nje kuphelile kanjalo. If you are a healer, into zakho are going to take a little bit longer. It's easier, not very easier. Kuye kube ngcono. Uthola ukuthi umuntu unamanzi amnyama, uthola ukuthi things went bad in the family. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uyagula, unesigulo. Okay, let me repeat it in English. If you are gifted, if you are supposed to mentor, to get a mentor for your gift, you are not like the person that is sick, that we heal within a month or two, depending on what you're suffering from. We heal you, you get better. But if you've got a gift, unesikoloto, You've got work to do. 2, if you've got bad luck, if you've got ischito, if you've got all the ugly spells that were casted on you, and you don't have a gift, we heal you. You don't owe anyone any credit. You awunasikoloto na anybody. We heal you. Into zakho ziqala ukuvuleka after the cleansings. Into zakho ziqala ukuvuleka. Let me talk for myself. And then when it comes to someone with a gift, you heal this person. Bese lo muntu uyaqala ukumamela amaphupho alandele, aqala ukumamela azazi. Simple. Get to know yourself, get to know your gift, get to know what is happening. Okunye okwenza ukuthi umuntu angapholi. I said you go to the wrong healer, you go to the right healer for the wrong. You go to the right healer for the wrong problem. Do you understand that one? Because now, mawuphupha izinto zobuthandazi, uboniswa izinto zobuthandazi, you used muti, you used herbs, they did not work. Go to the healer that will relate, that will resonate with you. Into zakho zizolunga, isithunywa sakho siyosukuma siphakame. Ngoba I will repeat this one, judge from what I know. Umuntu othandazayo unamandla. Umuntu othandazayo unamandla. A prayerful person is more powerful than a person who depends on herbs, than a person who depends on muti only. Because if I take that muti from you, you are not a prayer. You are not a diviner. Then I will obviously be more powerful than you, because wena ukholelwa entweni ebambekayo. So if you are dreaming of such gowns, if you are dreaming of whatever, go to the healer that relates with you. You're dreaming of people praying in a church, go to the healer that relates with you. If you dream of imiti utwasa, go to the healer that relates with you. But thina bomthandazo, we cover all those things. We cover everything. That is true. If you want to attack me, because now there's lots of people that are very angry, they find a chance. They are very angry, they are cowards. They wait for a person to post the video, and then they start to attack the person with social media. They know a person won't do anything. I am telling you now, a prayerful person is more powerful than a person othembele entweni ebambekayo. If you trust things that you can hold, into eziphathekayo. Thina bomthandazo, even nginjengenalutho, I can pray for a person to get up. I can pray for a person to get a job. This is not competition. I am just teaching the people that will resonate with the way I heal people. Yes. That is why izinto zingeke zikusebenzele, because you go to the wrong person who is a bit far away from the fraternity that you will be intended for. So go according to your dreams. And then even if you are healed, even if you get a job, there's people that I help. Mkulu, I've got a job already. I'm fine. This is what I came for. I only came for the tender. I'm fine. This is what I came for. If you've got a gift, you need to carry on. It's a journey, and a painful one, and a difficult one. No one said it's going to be easy. No one said it's going to be easy. But we are pilega. Like I said, we are better now. We know better now. We know better because we are healers now. So go to the healer that you relate with if you've got a gift. If uyigedla uphupha imithi, uboniswa imithi, uboniswa this, uboniswa imithi nje, imithi nje. Go to that person to mentor you to become a better gedla. That's how it works in this spiritual healing fraternity. That is how it works, and that's how it's gonna work. Angeke kuze kujike. So go to the healer that you relate with. The other thing, if you've got a prayer gift and you did cleansing, it doesn't work, the person that took you for cleansing, again, is that person allowed to use the water? Yes. Is that person allowed to use the river? Is that person allowed to use the ocean? Point number one. Point number two, there is running water, moving water. There is a purpose for that particular running water. There is isiziba, sidiba, amanzi emiyo, the water that is still. There is a purpose, right? There is rainwater. There is a purpose there, just for rainwater. There is spade, snook, spade, a spring water. There is a purpose. So now, also during divination, I get people that I dreamt water, I'm cool, I want to go to the water, I want to go to the water. Which water were you sent? Which water were you sent? You need to check on those things. Don't vice versa things, so that you heal, so that you heal, so that you heal and heal other people. Because if you're sitting with your gift, like what I did, like I tried so hard to run away from the gift that I had, the gift of healing. God said to me, there's lots of people that needs healing from your own hands. So if you keep denying your gift and you don't, awusukumi wenze something ngobizo lwakho lokuthandaza or ngobizo lwakho lobungoma, or you are denying people that you're supposed to heal with your own hands. People that you're supposed to heal with your own hands are waiting for you to heal so that you heal them. So check all those facts that I gave you. Which water were you taken to? What type of cleansing did you do? Amen. What type of cleansing did you do? What type? Because it's not always futa palaza geza for everybody. There's a lot that we do in this healing. There's a lot of collaboration. There's a lot. If you do futa palaza geza, don't tell me you've done work. You still owe a lot. There's still a lot for you to be done. Whether ubuzokhipha isinyama, whether ubuzokhipha amanzi amnyama, whether ubuzokhipha isichitho, whether ubuzofuna kuvuleka amathenda, there's a lot. Futa palaza geza, it's you haven't arrived. You're not yet there. So check. Don't be quick into complaining. Hey, man, I've done this and that, it did not work. Check if you did not crisscross your gift. Check if you went to the healer that relates with you. Uhanjiswe manzini amanzi anjani, which type of water. Ngithe nje nami ngishare leyo nto leyo due to the fact that I saw lots of people complaining about the same thing. Usually if there's people that are complaining, if there's about 5 people that are complaining about the same thing, usually uNkulunkulu nethonga lami uyangitshela ukuthi akufundisa abantu ngento eso. Nangithi so ke namhlanje bengizofundisa ngayo leyo nto leyo. Check where you go, check what is done. Ungakhathali, ungaphela amandla mntaka baba, ubizo lunzima kodwa kuyaphileka. You will be happy when everything else is done. At the end of the day, we all get happy. Okay, I'm inviting you guys. There is a night vigil coming. I'm going to be praying for the sick. I'm going to be intervening and interceding on behalf of your stagnant life. Our vote. Siyabonga. Akwande kukhanye kube mhlophe.